Alrighty guys, today's video we're gonna go check out the damage done by the storm. I think in early January at Deception Pass State Park in Washington. We had a very vicious storm, I think with 60 to 70 mile an hour winds, high tide, large waves, straight through the Strait of Juan de Fuca. The winds came and damaged the parking lot and the West Beach area. So stick around to see how bad it is. All right, so this is parking lot area. This is over the hill there, and you can see all this. Clearly the water was all the way up and over. And whoa. So the part of the parking lot up there on the high side, I guess, looks like it survived okay. But all this sand, all these logs are all in the parking lot here at West Beach. And on the other side of the parking, here's the cement parking, here's the cement parking, and all past that it looks like it's beach, which obviously this used to not be the beach, but now it looks like the beach, considering the beach is over there. All right, so all this was parking lot. You can see the cement here, the layers of it. It's just, I mean, think about the damage, the strength to lift that cement up and put it over there. Over here, you can see all the parking. See the parking things there? And then now, gone. The damage done here is just shocking. Again, all this area right here was this high, and the parking came out to here. Look, there's the parking blocks. You can see right there where the parking came down, and now it's just gone. All the logs came in to fill it. Now this is the beach. There's the dumpster. You can see the scale where it's at, the line for the beach way left. The second row parking here. And then just gone. It's all beach. This is crazy because Jen and I were here watching whales last year. Just right out there. A lot more surprising than we thought how it was going to look. That's for sure. The power of Mother Nature. This parking lot's been here, I don't even know how long. We grew up playing, coming down here and playing at this place, and it was a bad storm we had. Yeah. And look at the waves lifted up that, what, 3-4 inch piece of cement up on top of the other ones? There's the sound of freedom. The F-18's flying by at the base. But I want you to see here is all this, where I'm standing right now, it's all gone. This was the trail that take you around over there. And you can see, just like you can see this example right here. It just came in here and ate it. The beach just washed it away. This here is just part of the little trail. We're on the loop. This short walk here on West Beach after we got over from the damage. Nice little area. I don't know how they'll repair the parking lot, but I'm sure they'll come up with something, but it'll be a while. I can imagine the environmental studies that to go on. This is in a park, it's on the beach, there's salmon in the area, there's orcas in the area. So rebuilding that parking lot won't be something they just snap their fingers and just come out and start hacking on. So my guess is they may just close half of that parking lot, leave the top half open, and push the logs away from the, sound of freedom. Clear the logs from the parking area that isn't completely destroyed and just leave the part that is, and just make it new beach, leave it as it is, and something like that. That'd be the more likely thing they would do. Well, we'll see. It'll probably be a few years, but we'll keep checking in on it and give you guys updates of the progress.